Welcome to the channel. Thinking about starting an online business, but not sure if dropshipping or print on demand is the better choice? Both have huge potential, but which one is right for you? In this video, I'll break down the key differences, pros, and cons of each business model so you can make the best decision. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive in. When it comes to starting an online business, two popular models that often come up are dropshipping and print on demand. Both offer aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs the opportunity to sell products without holding inventory, making them attractive low-risk options. However, they differ in several ways, from product customization to order fulfillment. Understanding these differences is key to determining which business model is best suited for your goals. 10. Success requires dedication and adaptability. Regardless of whether you choose dropshipping or print on demand, success in e-commerce requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. The market is constantly changing, and businesses must stay ahead of trends, optimize their strategies, and refine their branding to remain competitive. Entrepreneurs who commit to ongoing education, experiment with different strategies, and analyze performance metrics will have a higher chance of long-term success. Staying informed about industry updates and consumer behavior will allow businesses to pivot when necessary and capitalize on new opportunities. 9. Combining dropshipping and print on demand. Some entrepreneurs opt to combine both business models in a single store. This allows them to offer a mix of trending dropshipping products alongside their unique print-on-demand designs. By diversifying their product offerings, they increase their chances of success while catering to different customer preferences. For instance, a clothing brand might offer both custom-designed t-shirts and fashion accessories sourced from dropshipping suppliers. This hybrid approach can help maximize revenue streams and provide more flexibility in marketing and branding. 8. Choosing based on business goals. When deciding between dropshipping and print on demand, entrepreneurs should consider their goals. If the priority is selling a wide range of trending products with minimal customization, dropshipping is a better choice. If creating a unique brand with customized products is more appealing, print on demand is the way to go. Business owners should also consider their long-term vision. Do they want to build a brand with strong customer loyalty, or are they focused on short-term profits from trending products? Answering these questions will help in making the right choice. 7. Marketing and brand differentiation. Both dropshipping and print on demand require strong marketing skills and brand differentiation to stand out. The competition in both industries is fierce, making it essential to develop unique selling points, engage with customers effectively, and optimize advertisements for better conversions. Successful marketers use social media, content marketing, and influencer partnerships to drive traffic and increase brand awareness. Offering limited edition products, loyalty programs, and engaging storytelling can help build a loyal customer base that returns for future purchases. 6. Challenges of print on demand. While print on demand offers creative control, it comes with challenges such as high printing costs, lower profit margins compared to bulk manufacturing, and limited product variety based on what printing providers offer. Fulfillment times may also be longer than traditional retail models. Additionally, creating high-quality designs that appeal to customers requires either strong graphic design skills or hiring professional designers. Entrepreneurs must also invest in testing different print providers to ensure consistent product quality, as not all providers offer the same level of craftsmanship. 5. Advantages of print on demand. Print on demand allows entrepreneurs to create custom designs, enabling a more niche-focused brand. Since products are only produced when an order is placed, there's no risk of unsold inventory. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Teespring integrate with Shopify and Etsy to streamline fulfillment. This model is especially beneficial for artists, influencers, and content creators who want to monetize their audience with personalized merchandise. Businesses can also experiment with seasonal collections, limited-time offers, and viral trends without the risk of overstocking inventory. 4. Challenges of dropshipping. Dropshipping has its own drawbacks, including long shipping times, quality control issues, and slim profit margins due to high competition. Finding reliable suppliers, optimizing pricing, and providing excellent customer service are essential to overcoming these challenges. Additionally, customer complaints about delayed shipments or inconsistent product quality can harm a brand's reputation. Entrepreneurs need to work with trusted suppliers, maintain clear communication with customers, and establish realistic shipping expectations to minimize dissatisfaction and refunds. 3. Advantages of dropshipping. Dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to sell a wide range of products without upfront inventory costs. This flexibility allows them to test different markets quickly. Platforms like Shopify, Ecommerce, and Ecommerce make it easy to set up and scale an online store. Additionally, dropshipping offers the advantage of low financial risk, making it an excellent option for those who want to start an online business without significant upfront investment. Business owners can continuously explore trending products and adjust their inventory to align with consumer demand. 2. Understanding print-on-demand. Print-on-demand is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell customized products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped by a third-party provider, enabling unique branding opportunities. This model is particularly advantageous for businesses that want to cater to niche markets, such as eco-friendly designs, pop culture references, or inspirational quotes. With proper market research, entrepreneurs can identify high-demand niches and tailor their designs accordingly. 1. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where entrepreneurs sell products from third-party suppliers without keeping inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates upfront inventory costs and allows for a wide product selection. Many successful dropshipping businesses focus on trending products, impulse buy items, and problem-solving gadgets. However, to sustain long-term profitability, business owners should prioritize branding, customer experience, and targeted advertising. And that's the breakdown of dropshipping versus print-on-demand. Each business model has its own advantages, so the best choice depends on your goals. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.